What do the world's top cricketers do to relax in Lahore? They play golf, and the exclusive Royal Palm Golf and Country Club is the obvious choice. This serene escape is within easy reach of the city and yet a world apart. The 18-hole par 72 course with its rolling fairways, 8 lakes and bird-filled trees is not only challenging but a delight to the eyes. It has hosted some major tournaments like the Pakistan Open and is home to a top academy. Daniel, you're I guess the man in charge when it comes to the golf here.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's something I was brought over here from England to do, and it's actually good. The facility down here is unbelievable. International, world class. I originally thought that this would be a golf course with a desert with a few flags stuck in there, but came down to see this, and it's unbelievable.
Yes, it's quite a paradise with all the birds and the waterways
absolutely.
and so on. Can you tell me who designed the course?
It was a group of Malaysians who designed the golf course. Now, this facility, or the golf course, has been here for a long time. Dates back to the early 1900s, and the Pakistan Railways, owned the facility then. And 4 years ago, this operation was set up here as Royal Palm. The golf course back then was completely revamped, redesigned. Pakistan golf, by tradition, is very flat. But the Malaysians came in and they actually added all the contours and, designed it to, US specifications.
Now, this is regarded as one of the best golf courses in South Asia. And it's hard to believe it's actually right in the heart of Lahore. Now, right behind me here is the 18th hole, but my next stop is the 19th hole, the state-of-the-art clubhouse right over this way. The Country Club is a relaxed and stylish venue that offers a taste of the finer things in life. On offer, some of the best international dining in Lahore, with several venues from a laid-back lounge to an elegant dining room, all with stunning views of the course both day and night.
We're very keen to be part of nation building, not just as a health and leisure facility, but as a place that becomes a focus for cultural activities as well as awareness to do with lots of things. We support everything from health-related things, Alzheimer's Day, to clean water in Pakistan, like golf tournaments that are sponsored by organizations such as Porsche that are looking at making water a very primary issue in the awareness of people as well as in terms of doing something practical about it.
You can take a swing on the driving range after dark.
About this left side, we've got to make that nice solid turn to here.
Or make your way into Tracks, a state-of-the-art fitness facility that ensures its members are kept in very good shape. Now, you have a pretty impressive facility here. Can you tell me what you've got here at Royal Palm?
Yeah, we have 3-4 different types of facilities here. We have high-tech treadmills, live fitness, and we have all the resistant machines for the toning. We have in cardiovascular equipment, we have elliptical trainers, we have treadmills, we have steppers, cycles, rowing machines also, and we have free weight section on the floor exercise.
And here you've also got 3 swimming pools.
We have 3 swimming pools in Tracks, 1 for kids, 1 for females, 1 mixed pool, 3 squash court, and 3 tennis court. We have aerobics hall also.
With all that renewed energy, I was ready again to take on Lahore, and that meant it was time to go shopping. This is without a doubt the best place to go shopping for ladies' fashion. It's the Anakali Bazaar, and its name translates as pomegranate blossom. So let's go and see if we can spend a few rupee. Now, there are plenty of modern shopping centres in Lahore, but the Anakali Bazaar is one of the most colourful alternatives. It's named after a legendary royal court dancing girl, and ladies are certainly spoilt for choice. Lahore is renowned for its hospitality, so you'll discover plenty of smiles and bargains galore.
Even the guys can find something here. This is Pakistan's most traditional form of clothing, the shalwar kameez. Worn by both men and women in Pakistan, it's one of the most comfortable things you can wear in this sort of climate. Sort of like wearing your pajamas all day long. By now we're feeling hungry. Some of the best value and best tasting food in town is actually on the street.
If you want to head out for dinner in the evening in downtown Lahore, this is the place you should visit. It's known as Food Street. Now, it actually began as an initiative by the government to encourage the revival of traditional cuisine. And, as you can see, it's working.
Be prepared for a meat-rich diet of lamb, beef, and chicken, along with fish, rice, flatbreads, and sweet desserts galore.
How to sum up Lahore? The locals say Lahore Lahore Heh, which simply means Lahore is Lahore, and that really says it all.
मैनू मत्थे तिलक लगा मन दे